We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with TRKA stock continuing to fight to hold itself up above 25 cents. Hit highs here yesterday of 28-cent area. And we're going to talk about what's going on within the volatility. But TRKA stock is not the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator since 8:25 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision into the bell and after the bell, and call options went up 400% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with TRKA stock trying to hold itself up above 25 cents. We're going to talk about what's going on here with the inflow versus outflow and the bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Netflix spot. Our Netflix spot sent out a bull indicator since 4:31 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, into the bell and after the bell, and call options went up 300% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with TRKA stock sitting sideways and doing a full transition in the last several days since Tuesday to yesterday, from the dip area to the rip area, and so far from yesterday's rip area of 28 cents, coming downwards down towards red bars. The last piece missing, if it were to continue, is Y with red borders. Now, if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with TRKA stock under a bear indicator here in the after hours, canceling yesterday's bull indicator from around 26 cents, and that inflow crossover, guys, it got canceled as well, with outflows crossing over today in the pre-market into the opening bell. Hit highs here of 27 cents and rejected the same resistance levels from yesterday, right here at the close and in the pre-market, and things pulled right back down. And now we got a bear indicator at the same area that the bull indicator popped up yesterday at around 26 cents. And these outflows are back below the midpoint, guys. Something to not ignore and miss here within the volatility is that we pulled back down and the support is going to be retested of 25 cent area. Now, here we are without a complete transition, but we have two confirmations so far of weakness from the transition, outflows, and a bear indicator popping up here and confirming in the last 30 minutes. Now, here we are with it under bearishness on the 30-minute, but when we go to the 1 hour, you go ahead and see that there's been a bear indicator here since the 26-cent mark. Now we have one on the 30-minute, and I talked about, yes, inflows cross back over, but we need it to continue going higher and to cancel out in the process this bear indicator with a bull indicator. If that did not happen, then that bear indicator would have some weight here over the chart, and all it needs is to bring it right back over below the midpoint and the bears start to dominate to retest key support levels to the downside, guys. And that weakness could start to reflect pretty fast. Now, there was a staircase effect forming here, and the inflows did go back above, but the bulls actually did not have enough strength to continue today, right? And we have bearishness not just on the 30-minute, but also here on the 15-minute. As you could see, that bear indicator in the pre-market, again around 26-27 cent area. There was a lot of choppiness here, and then the outflows crossed in the middle of the day and continued lower, right? Double confirmation, bear indicator, weakness here on the charts, transitioning into red bars, and also the outflows crossing and below the midpoint. Now, here we are with a bearish scenario, right? Today with the 15-minute and the 30-minute. But if this turns out to hold true here, these inflows on the 1 hour, I would not ignore it, but it's going to be crucial and critical for the bulls to use this as support, right? Not continue going lower, because all it takes is for this to cross over, and then it's going to confirm that this bear indicator is not canceled, it's dominating, and the bull and bear indicators on the 15-minute will not have enough weight, right? And right now, both of them are under bear indicators, right? The 15-minute and the 30-minute. But if this could hold up and pull upwards and pull up the other time frames with it and the other charts, it's going to be crucial for this to get canceled and start reflecting that strength into the charts with a bull indicator. Now, when we go back over to the 30-minute, it is crucial here to keep in mind that it's coming back down towards support, and that is 25.50 or 25 if you want to round it down. That is going to be a critical support area that can form a double bottom effect if the bulls can reappear and stop it from going lower if it reaches that point, right? Because now we have a bear indicator and we have outflows dominating and below the midpoint, and if it continues lower, it could start to test those support levels. Now, if that support gets broken through of 25 cents, the next support is 23 cents, and then below that comes the 20-cent area. Those are the key levels I'm watching to the downside. Now, if things can bring themselves back up and cancel out this bear indicator, it's going to be crucial for these inflows to pick up, get back over the midpoint there, but not just here on the 30-minute, but also have that strength here on the 15-minute. As right now it's under a bear indicator, it's going to need that strength up, get that bull indicator in the process as it tries to retest resistance levels, and the inflows are green, but below the midpoint. They need to continue higher, cross over, stay green, so that strength can start to reflect into the charts. And the first thing is going to be the resistance of 27.50. That is a key level right now of rejection yesterday and today. And then above that comes 28 cents, then 30 cents based off the history of the chart. And then above 30 cents is the 32-cent area. Now, if we reach that level, we'll have to reassess and see what's going on within the charts. But that's going to be crucial to the upside to start that staircase effect if the bulls can go ahead and cancel this bear indicator, cancel the 15-minute one as well, get these inflows back up. That is going to be critical, and hold strong on the 1 hour, because the 1 hour through this volatility right now is still above the midpoint. Once it crosses, well, then things can start to reflect pretty fast into the charts, and that bear indicator has been holding true throughout this volatility, right? It was just trying to push itself up, but the bears have had weight over the chart all along. So we'll have to see who really is going to take over in this tug of war as we're near here these highs of 30 cents. And if it breaks through those supports, we have support levels to keep in mind to the downside, right? So I would not ignore this at all. As always, guys, these are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators I'm going to watch carefully and closely, as well as these inflows. As right now, this one's really close to the midpoint here on the 30-minute, and on the 15-minute, it is trying to bring itself back up. Green, all it needs to do is cross over, and it's going to be critical if that can roll over into the 30-minute and start reflecting into the charts. As always, once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.